This is not financial advice. The Sniper bot is a tool for testing and educational purposes only. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Tired of getting wrecked by whales? Yeah, we've all been there, watching giant wallets pump or dump while we sit on the sidelines. Front-run huge trades before they even happen with our Sniper bot. Now you can. Try our Sniper bot absolutely free with a trial download on our website. Don't miss your chance to front-run the market before it even moves. Your trial download can be started right there. Now, let's head directly to the crypto trading bot and pay close attention. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so even if you're new, you'll get it. When you launch the app, you'll notice a clean design. Step 1. Choose your chain, either Uniswap or Ethereum mainnet, depending on where you're planning to hunt those early trades. For this video, we'll be working on Uniswap. Before risking anything real, let's load up some demo money so we can practice safely. This way, you can get a feel for the bot without burning your actual funds. Now let's set how much BNB we want to risk per trade. Adjust the amount according to your strategy. Start small if you're unsure. Even 0.01 BNB can go a long way if you catch the right trade. For max slippage and max gas, just leave them on auto mode, fully optimized for the fastest transactions. Yes, it will be expensive, but that's how front-running works. You're paying to be first in line. And here, of course, comes the big role of the bot. Keep it on auto so it scans every token on the Bull network. For this video, it will be on the Uniswap. You can choose to buy, sell, or buy and sell. This is important because when the markets are pumping, you need to select buy only, giving you complete control over your strategy. Everything's set. Now it's time to start the hunt. Press the front run button and hope we catch something. It's okay, that's part of the grind. Sometimes the bot gets front run too. That's the nature of the game. The link here if you are curious about the transaction ID and want to check it on blockchain. Transparency is key. You can always verify every move the bot makes. Anyways, let's try our second shot. Let's keep trying. Yay, I think I got lucky on this one. Finally landed a profitable trade, and we've covered our previous losses. If you want to try it yourself, grab the free trial from our website in the description and start practicing with demo funds before going live. Don't forget to use proper risk management and keep in mind that nothing is guaranteed. But with the right settings, you're giving yourself a serious edge. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want to see more advanced strategies using the bot. Happy sniping, and I'll catch you in the next one.